Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening NX and locating the geometry you'll control. Make sure expressions or parameters is visible. Create a clear parameter name, for example length param, and set its initial numeric value. Next, select the target dimension and type equals length param, or include a simple formula like equals length param asterisk 1, 2 to scale. Once done, press enter and confirm the update. This binds the drawing to a single source of truth, so changes flow predictably through linked dimensions. You now create the core logic with formulas, combine parameters using plus, asterisk, and slash, and wrap expressions in parentheses to control order. Reference other parameters directly by name so adjustments propagate. You can also reference measured geometry values when needed. If you mix units, include explicit conversion factors or units inside calculations, and make sure to test each result, because a small unit mismatch breaks downstream fits. Once formulas behave, you finish by validating every dependent feature, rebuild the model, inspect driven dimensions, and confirm intended geometry updates. Then lock or protect stable parameters and save a named snapshot so you can roll back if needed. If something goes wrong, start with one key troubleshooting tip. Circular references cause silent failures. Search parameter formulas for loops. Break the loop by inserting a fixed value or refactor into stepwise parameters, and then revalidate. This keeps expressions robust and maintainable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.